Welcome, dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful fascinator headpiece. Okay, this is the material we'll be using is something that you can get wherever you are in the world. Yes, so you'll be needing the following materials. First off, if you have not subscribed to this video, please do so before we begin. Okay, thank you. Also turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. So you'll be needing the following materials. You need your bridal satin. Okay, two measurements of your bridal satin. Here I have 30 inches by 8 inches for this particular measurement of my bridal satin. You can see me taking the measurement right now so you can see clearly. Okay, so the length is 30 inches and the width is 8 inches. I have another cutout portion of my bridal satin which I'm going to show you right away, and I have already folded it, but I will show you how I achieved this. And the measurement is 25 inches by 7 inches. Okay, so you also need your matching color of thread and needle. Okay, you need your UHU glue. Okay, in this case I'll be using my candle and my matchstick to light my candle. You'll find out why I have my candle and matchstick if you keep watching this video. You also need a rose. Okay, now we are going to get started. I'll be showing you how I achieved this using the other measurements of my bridal satin of 30 inches by 8 inches. So right now what I'm going to do first is to fold my bridal satin into two equal halves. Okay, the right side facing each other. Next, I'm going to take to my machine and sew this part that you saw my fingers pointing at. Okay, now I'm done sewing. Then just watch how I'm going to fold this my bridal satin now. Watch closely how I'm going to achieve this. It is easy peasy if you follow my lead. Just follow my fingers, you'll get it. Now I'm going to hold the two ends that I sewed and I'll fold it like so. Okay, and then I'm going to use my office pin to pin it down this way. So watch carefully, you'll see how I achieved the other folding. Please just watch. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I will do my best to answer in the comment section. You can see how I folded it, right? Yeah, this is exactly how I achieved the other measurements. Remember, one measurement has to be smaller than the other. Okay, now I'm trying to just ensure that I neatly arrange them, make sure that everywhere is uniformly placed. Okay, that's exactly what I'm doing here. So the next thing I'm going to do, ensure that the edges are neat. So I'll start by trimming off the excess thread. Yeah, the part that is frailing, the longer threads, I'll trim them off with my scissors. Then next I'm going to take my candle and my matchstick to burn off the other parts so that the bridal satin edges will not frill. I hope you understand. Just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. The next thing I'll do is to do a running stitch from one end to the other end of my already folded bridal satin. Okay, I'm sure you should be able to do this. You would be able to do this, especially if you have been a subscriber of this channel and you have been following all our videos. You will know how to do this. At least you know how to do the running stitches. So it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So you can see the result we got when we finished the running stitches. Okay, it's giving us this rose form or rose shape rather. Now I'm going to just ensure that the center is properly secured. Okay. Now that we are done, we have two roses now, right? The big one and the small one. We're just going to continue by attaching them together firmly using the needle and thread. Right now I'm done with the whole attachment of the two roses, with the smaller rose being at the top of the bigger rose. The next thing I'll do is to take my Alice band and properly attach it on my two-in-one rose. Yeah, feel free to call this a two-in-one rose too. Two-in-one rose fascinator headpiece. Okay, so I'll just use my needle and thread to firmly attach the Alice band on my two-in-one rose fascinator headpiece. Feel free to also wrap your Alice band. You want to know how to wrap your Alice band properly, you should click on the link that is showing on your screen right now to watch that. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Now that we've gotten to this stage, we will simply beautify or accessorize this our two-in-one rose fascinator headpiece using our artificial rose. Should we call this one artificial rose? Since our two-in-one rose is made from bridal satin, we can as well, okay, no, let's say the rose we bought from the market. So feel free to embellish yours or accessorize yours using feathers. You can use beads too. You can use, whatever accessory you want to use, gemstones. But I'll be using this rose in this case. So because this rose has a pin at the back, so it means it is detachable. You can use various roses of your choice. Okay. You can also feel free to use your needle and your thread to secure it properly, or you use your glue to also attach it, or you just put your glue and your needle and your thread. Okay. But if you prefer it to just be detachable, you just put it there when you want, or where your headpiece will just be two-in-one rose bridal satin, then feel free to do that. But this is how beautiful our fascinator headpiece came out. Our two-in-one rose bridal satin fascinator headpiece came out. Should we call it three-in-one rose, since we added an accessory, a smaller rose at the top of the two-in-one rose? I would love to know what you think about this our beautiful headpiece. Bye for now.